decent here. Oh, it's fighting. No, I don't think it's gonna be alright. Alright everybody, welcome back to Chasing That Fin. I'm T. Anthony. Today I'm not fishing, you know, gotta do that 100-hour service on your motors every once in a while when it comes up, so today's the day for me to do it. But I got a couple videos that I was going to put up because it just wasn't a very good day. I mean, it wasn't the weather. We were offshore. We started offshore and it wasn't bad, but the farther we got out there, the little rougher it got, but we didn't stay out there very long, so we come back inshore. But like I said, I wasn't going to put them up, but I'm just going to show you them anyways. Like I said, it'll be a short video. We caught a few fish, but nothing, you know, that great or anything. So while I do my 100-hour service on this motor, I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you here shortly. Alright, we made it out here like 11-12 miles. I don't know how long we're going to stay out here. It's a little rough, so stay out here for a while. See what we can catch here. Choppy out. Up and down the first time here. Got something here. I got grunt. We have a line too. Our second fish of the day, starting out. Let's see what we got here. A big grunt. It's a plane or something. Yep. Right. Huh?
It's one of them weighted down.
Here. Big grunt. It's like grunts after grunts. Something decent here. Oh, it's fighting. No, I don't think it's gonna be alright. I don't know what it is, but it's fighting. Come on. I see him. Oh, I think it's a... big blue. Big runner. Yeah. Big runner. Alright, got one right here. I don't know what it is. Yep. There's a mango right there. I don't think he's legal though. He might be close. It's just a little over 10. Another one here. Jack.
On here, but it's not for something.
Jack. Whatever it is, kind of decent. Mango snapper. That one. Fatty, all right. Nice size one.
Little shrimp again.
What's that?
Back to little shrimp again.
What's next here? This one here. Almost 12 inches, 12 and 11 and a half. Another mango. No, it's a sheephead. Not legal though. Top of his mouth.
Right to the hard part.
Yep. Man. Let that hook all up just to get him out. There he is. Good. What this one is.
Another good one.
Could be borderline, I think.
It looks like about 9-10 inches.
Yeah. Probably going to be about 10.
Makes sense.
Yeah, he's like almost like, well, he's like 11. I hooked one up. Another mango snapper. That's a fat one.
Nice.
He's legal. Curious what size it is though. Most 12 inches. That was off a dead shrimp. How about that?
You got one.
Finally got one. Of course it's sheephead. That's
that's what's down there. So it keeps taking everything. Sheephead, their size, but big pinfish.
Yes, it is.
Big one. Cuttling or something.
Okay, everybody. Like I said, it was a good day. We caught a few mangoes. Said Jack, like I said, come in shore there. Rained a little bit, but you know, it's the way it is. Some days you do good, some days you don't do good. Like I said, I'm just gonna show it all. So, finishing up, I finished up my 100-hour service, oil change, spark plugs, fuel filter, you know, lower grease unit, all that stuff. So I'm back ready to go back out fishing. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Appreciate that. Like I said, thank you for everybody who's watching so far, and I'll see you back out on the waters and keep chasing those fins.